Hello my friend. Welcome back to my channel. Please subscribe and support this channel. This preset link in the description. Here are example photo before and after using Dispel Direct. So, now let's get started. At first open your application Adobe Lightroom Mobile and import your photos in application. Select a picture. Go to the light panel. Exposure to 0.10. Contrast to -32. Highlight to 10. Shadows to 54. Whites to -100. And blacks to -76. Now go to the crouton. Follow these steps. And click Done. Now go to the color panel. Temp go to 10. Tint to -16. And vibrance to 50. Saturation to -16. Now go to the Mix tool. First red color. And luminance to 10. Go to orange color. And just the hue -18. Saturation to 16. Luminance to 22. Go to yellow color. And just the hue -100. Saturation to -66. And luminance to 24. Go to green color. And adjust the hue -100. Saturation to -100. And luminance to 100. Go to aqua color. And adjust the hue 100. And saturation to -100. Luminance to 70. Go to blue color. And adjust the hue 20. And saturation to -60. Luminance to 100. Lastly, go to purple color. And adjust the hue -2. Luminance to 100. And click Done. Now go to Effect panel. Clarity to 24. Dehues to -4. Vignette -6. Grain amount to 15. Now go to the split tone. Go to highlight. And adjust the hue to 186. And saturation 24. Go to shadows and adjust the hue to 55. And saturation to 4. And click Done. Now go to Details. Sharpening to 26. Noise reduction to 15. Detail to 100. Color noise reduction to 25. Smoothness to 70. Go to Profiles. Now go to Vintage. Go to Vintage 4. And Finish. Now let's try to copy this preset to another photo. Copy setting. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and like. See you next video.